Hello and welcome once again to Red Gaming Tech for your daily dose of your latest gaming news, and myself, Amata. Today is the 13th of November, and this time I'm bringing you some news from Steam, as the most recent Steam update has now allowed you to download software during gameplay. Now, users now have the option to download and play games concurrently, meaning that downloads will not be paused when accessing games using the client. Now, the new update will also allow users to turn background downloading off if they wish, and the update also introduces the ability to choose what time of day automatic updates will occur. So if, for example, you're going to be doing something quite intensive and you don't want your internet speed slowed down at a certain time of day, you can just tell it to pause at that time and then not do any automatic updates, which is a nice piece of functionality if you need it. And of course, you can turn background downloading off. Now, we've got a few updates, which of course I'm going to go through with you here. We've got the general ones, which is add ability to limit what time of day is allowed to automatically update apps, add option to let other games downloading while a game is running, and this is a per game setting. Add download regions for Calgary, Edmonton, Winnipeg and Ottawa in Canada. Add copy all text to clipboard context menu option in the system information dialog. And there is one update to the Steam client UI where they have improved downloading status text at the bottom of the main window. As for the big picture, they've got the ability to opt into game betas and edit launch options. Added inbox item under Linux if your machine requires a reboot due to OS level updates. Fixed infinite loop of cloud sync errors during game launch. Fixed mouse cursor being visible during startup animation even if it hadn't moved. And we've got a few Linux only updates with fixed pasting stale text. Fix Control-C/Control-V in client-hosted web page text controls. Fix incorrect foregrounding of a blank window in some silent startup cases. So obviously beforehand, when you were downloading an update for another game or downloading a game and then you launch another one, it would automatically pause that download regardless of whether it was an update, a game that you just purchased and were installing or what have you. So it's nice to see that piece of functionality make a return, and it's also see the new functionality of the pausing allowed for the background downloading, and of course the scheduling of the automatic updates. Now, the applications for that may be fairly limited, but if you do wish to limit it during a certain time of day for whatever reason, you can do. So it's always nice to see, and good to see Steam being further improved. Anyway, that is me done for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.